a little bit more wild side. But people that are very much into bushcraft or into very natural looks of things that they make, they love this. Again, it's firm in one way, but it has a mellow feel. The look of it is exactly as it comes, exactly as it was dyed. It's a very natural two-tone sort of look to it. Uh, the modern leather industry has adapted this sort of two-tone approach over the last 50, 60 years. If you've got a big tannery, what you would be doing is putting down an underneath colour and then with a roller coater rolling a pattern onto the surface of it. And that gives greater anilinity to the surface and to the overall look of the leather. But with this is it in au natural. It is a most attractive, wonderful, natural look for a deerskin to have. So both of these, obviously they contrast, but it just shows what's possible out of an indigenous type of raw material. So two types of deerskin, and we have